Kakšnih 1000 severnoirskih navijačev se je le nekaj ur pred kvalifikacijsko tekmo takole segrevalo v mariborskih lokalih. Seveda jih je večina optimističnih v zmago njihove reprezentance.
I think we'll win about 2-0. 2-0. You had a good World Cup, but that's the end of it.
And what is going to be the score?
Well, we'll go for a 1-0 win. Yeah, we'll go for a 1-0 win.
2-1 Northern Ireland. Oh, easy.
Med njimi pa smo našli tudi takšne, ki v svoje fante niso preveč prepričani.
Northern Ireland have not scored for almost 12 months. Yeah, we scored our last goal in Poland last September. So, although we are hopeful, we are less hopeful than usual.
To be honest with you, I'm happy if we just score. Solid, but I think it'll be a draw, 1-1 each.
2-0. 2-0 Northern Ireland.
It's going to be a tough match for Northern Ireland. If we come away with a draw, it's a good result. Slovenia's a good side.
Kot pravijo Severni Irci, si bodo Slovenijo zagotovo najbolje zapomnili po prijaznih ljudeh in poceni pivu.
The people are very friendly. The beer's good, beer's cheap, and we're having a great time.
The beer and the wine, and the lovely ladies. Very nice local ladies.
Yeah, it's really cheap, yeah.
How much is the beer in Ireland?
Double the amount back home, yeah. So you pay about 4, maybe 5 euros for that.
Yeah.
Easy.
Da bi pogasili neumorno irsko žejo, so se morali posebej pripraviti tudi mariborski gostinci.
Smo nič posebnega, razen malo povečali zaloge piva, predvsem, ker so odlični pivci piva, bom rekel, dodatni štand zunaj oziroma šankomat piva, postavili, pojačali malo mize, stole, to je to.
Drugače pa tudi, če vidimo, kje v mestu ali pa kaj jih malo nagovorimo, se malo pogovarjamo z njimi, mogoče kam usmerimo, jaz osebno v svoj lokal, ne.
Sicer pa nam je med navijači uspelo najti tudi takšnega, ki pivo ni preveč naklonjen. Do you drink beer?
No, too young.
He should be at school. He's supposed to be at school today, but...
What happened then?
Oh, well, that's his granddad over there, like, so it's his fault, it's not mine, nothing to do with me.
So what happened? Why isn't he at school today?
We had to bring him to learn how to support Northern Ireland. This is good training for the future.